Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. And to find these settings, we need to enable developer options. So if you don't know how to enable it, at this channel we have video just for your device. After you enable it, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and click at the system. And right here we need to also scroll down, and here it is, we have developer option. Enter here, and you need to scroll down and find HD audio, but you can also use a search and you can write HD audio here, and right here we have it. As you can see, it located at the developer option, so tap on it. And right here we have it. To disable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. To enable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And after you enable this mod, you can now change Bluetooth codecs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!